We're going to have a look inside the Summerville II floor plan. This is one of the largest single-story buildings that this builder offers. It's almost 2,500 square feet, 3-car garage, 3 bathrooms, and 3 bedrooms. Let's go inside. You'll notice on all of the new builds, it looks like they're built up this little hill here, and that's because the base elevation where the street is technically in a special hazard flood area. But what the builder does, they come in, bring a bunch of dirt in so that the homes are built up on this little hill. Then they apply for what's called a LOMA with FEMA so that they can take you outside of the special hazard area. Double door entry, really nice entryway area. It's nice and wide, big enough space for a console, little decorative area there. The den is gonna be just to your right. Let's take a look at the first bedroom area. This is really a nice size bedroom. You've got the window here. Of course, they have all of this done. Keep in mind when you're building new construction, the shiplap, all of the wall detail is never going to be included, but you can have inclusions like the tile floors that we see here. So closet space, and just outside of this bedroom is a bathroom. So really nice guest space, or if you have somebody else living with you, this is a nice area for them so that they almost have their own personal bathroom. Mentioned the den area, so of course they have this set up so that the desk is facing out front, but what I see a lot of people do is a desk on the wall, or even a situation where they have a built-in desk here and then a couch on the opposite wall. So this can serve as somewhat of a man cave or an office. We're gonna pass by the laundry room, which goes into the garage, before we get to the second guest bedroom. Good closet space there. This is going to be a larger bedroom than the first one that we just saw. So what we're looking at is a queen bed with 2 pretty wide end tables. So you could fit a queen bed in here very comfortably with your dresser area. Of course, they have the window in here, quite a big light here in this bedroom. And this one has an attached bathroom with a walk-in shower. So if you have somebody living with you that needs the walk-in shower, this is a good option for them. Or maybe you want to keep this option open for guests that come to visit so that they have their own private space. Let's take a walk really quickly into the garage. Really large space here. So this is a 3-car garage, floor to 3-car garage. You'll notice that there's some light coming in at the bottom. This is code now. So this is for any water that could potentially get in here and a way for that to get out. One of the first things people like to do when they move in is finish this garage floor by putting epoxy flooring down. So we're gonna head back in, but first we're gonna take a look at the AC closet. So your air conditioner handler is located inside of the garage, but tucked away really nicely behind this door. We're gonna get into the main living area. This space is very large. So 2,500 square feet, or almost 2,500 square feet. These are very large stools here, and there are 5 of them. Five of these stools under this island. I'm gonna say that the island is maybe 12 feet, maybe 15 feet long. So again, very, very large space. If you like to entertain, if you like to cook, you have a lot of people over, it's a really nice option. And of course, you're overlooking the living room, so nobody's ever left out. And we're gonna head into the primary bedroom. Again, large space. It's a king bed with end tables, room beyond the end tables, chair in front, large dresser. They of course have windows in here and the slider, which will serve as your private entry or exit from your bedroom. Let's take a look at the ensuite bath. Walk-in shower, again, large space, very, very large space. This feels like a bedroom in itself. Really nice touch is to have the window in here so that you always have natural lighting. They did frost this one out so nobody can see in, and of course you can't see out either. Dual vanities. His and hers walk-in closets, and of course the water closet completes the space. We just took a look at the Summerville II model located in Brightwater in North Fort Myers. This house is perfect for somebody that really wants to spread out, that doesn't want a narrow footprint, somebody that needs to use 3 bedrooms plus a den, so maybe somebody that's working from home or wants that home office or separate man cave, if you will. If you have any questions about Brightwater Lagoon, the Summerville II floor plan pricing or incentives, give us a call.